You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly the name of these famous Canadian basketball player. For more names from basketball, the NBA, make sure to stay tuned. Oklahoma City Thunder. Shai, yes, I've heard it many times pronounced as Shai. No, the pronunciation of his name in English is as Shai Gilgeous, yes, hard G pronunciation, Gilgeous-Alexander. Well, the last of the names is easy. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.